All right, Patrick, welcome back.
Welcome to Los Angeles.
Welcome back, Patrick.
Mayor Eric Garcia. It is always an honor to host our troops at the right here.
Donald Trump is being sworn in. Donald Trump is being sworn in. Oh, will you watch him? Donald Trump is being sworn in. Glad you guys are back together. Look good. Glad you guys are back together, man. You guys are a perfect couple.
Happy birthday. How was it?
Welcome to Los Angeles. This is Mayor Eric Garcetti. It is always an honor to host our troops and their loved ones right here in the city of Naples. Current members of the military and their families are invited to visit.
Welcome back, Patrick. Welcome back.
Across from Terminal 2. The bomb from USO is about 20 kilograms today and is available to current members of the military and their family members without a military identification. On behalf of the people of Los Angeles, thank you for your service to our nation.
Enjoy smarter travel with TSA PreCheck. Learn more about TSA PreCheck at TSA.